What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Now Watching. Gonna have my son Caius give the introduction today. And what is it we're going to be watching tonight?
The Birds.
The Birds, the Alfred Hitchcock classic, The Birds. Are you excited to watch this movie?
Yes.
Do you know anything about this movie?
No.
No?
I know that it's probably about birds. Killer birds,
Oh, yeah?
maybe.
Does it say what year this came out?
I don't know.
Alrighty. So anyway.
And it's 2 hours long.
Yep. So this is what we're going to be watching tonight. He's never seen it, and he's been bugging to watch it since I picked it up about a week or two ago. And yeah, we'll be back like normal. Hopefully this time it works all right. About halfway through, and let you guys know what we're thinking. Caius?
Yeah?
You want to tell them that we'll see him in a little bit?
Yeah. I'll see you guys in a little bit. At the halfway point.
Alright, we're about halfway through this movie, and birds are just going crazy inside the house right now. And yeah. Alright, so yeah, we're about an hour into The Birds from what year?
1963.
Good job. What are you thinking of the movie so far, Caius?
Good.
Good?
I like the part that just happened right now where all the
Tell them.
all of the birds got in the house.
So, yeah. What do you think of the background scenes?
Fake. Yeah, they look fake.
You don't have to keep telling me. So, yeah, he thinks the background looks fake, and, you know, you could tell it was the old school green screen or whatever it was they used back in that day. But I really I like the dialogue a lot in this movie, you know, the way people talked back then. I don't watch a lot of movies that are from before, like, 1970, so this is kind of different for me. And seeing all the old products and the general stores and everything like that is pretty neat. But, yeah. It's just now picking up to where the birds are attacking and getting interesting. So I haven't seen this movie since I was a kid, and looking forward to watching the rest of it. So we'll be back after this is over and give you our final thoughts. See you then. Alright, so yeah, we just got done watching The Birds here on Blu-ray from Alfred Hitchcock back in '63. And man, I haven't seen this movie in so long. I couldn't really remember it. I was probably just a little kid when I seen it. And overall, really enjoyed this movie. And yeah, my little helper, whatever, my son Caius fell asleep with about half hour left, so he's not able to join us in the final thoughts. But yeah, the scene in the restaurant I really enjoyed with all the townspeople and everything. You had the old drunk guy shouting out, "It's the end of the world," and everything, and he was cracking me up pretty good. And it's just amazing, you know, watching movies nowadays compared to back then. Everybody smoked back then. Everyone was drinking at like noon. I don't know. It was just a different time period. And the visuals in this, of course, are really outdated. But I think the end scene actually looked pretty good. With the close-ups of the birds and everything, but the scene where the kids are running out of the school and all that is, you know, really fake looking nowadays. But I'm sure back then it was pretty intense and pretty ahead of its time for when it came out. So yeah, Like I say, I don't watch a lot of movies that are this old because of the way. I think it's the acting. It seems like they're reading from like cue cards or something, and I don't know. But after watching this, I kind of want to go and check out a lot of his other movies that I haven't seen. I mean, I've only seen this and Psycho like a long time ago, and I definitely want to revisit that one and some of his other films as well, and some other movies from that era, back in the '60s and stuff, and even earlier, and just kind of expand my. I do my eyebrow thing. I do in all my videos, I guess, and yeah, check out some movies from back in the day. I watch a lot of movies from nowadays, but haven't seen a whole lot from then. But yeah, overall, really, really enjoyed this movie, and I look forward to checking out the special features on here. It's got quite a bit. It's got an original ending, I guess an alternate ending. You got Hitchcock's monster movie, The Birds, all about the birds. You got some screen test, and The Birds is Coming, Universal International Newsreel, Suspense Story, National Press Club. Here's Hitchcock. I'm not sure what all this exactly is, but yeah, you got quite a bit of deleted scenes on there. You guys can tell anything. But yeah, like I say, overall, really enjoyed this movie, and I'm glad to have it in my collection. So, and as always, if you guys like this video, definitely thumbs up, all that good stuff. And subscribe, share, comment. Like I say, I enjoy reading your guys' comments. Let me know what you guys think about this movie. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it. It's a classic or whatever. Yeah, sorry, I'm just really getting tired. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.